Good morning, Ayush. Welcome to your mathematics class. Today in our mathematics class, we will do Roman numerals. In our previous class, we have written Roman numerals up to 50. Today we will do rules for writing Roman numerals. To write Roman numerals, you can follow few rules, and if you follow the rules, it will be very easy for you to write the Roman numerals. So let's start with the rule number 1. To form large numbers I, X, C and M can be repeated only up to 3 times. You cannot use these alphabets more than 3 times. Likewise, I is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. I that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. X means 10 plus 10, that is 20. CC, that is 100 plus 100, that equals to 200. C stands for 100. So 100 plus 100 is 200. You have to remember that V, D, L, D are not repeated. You cannot repeat these alphabet 2 times. You cannot write VV like this. Okay? Or you cannot write LL or DD. No, you cannot write like this. These numbers will not be repeated. Okay? Or you cannot write, if you want to write 4, you cannot write 1, 2, 3, 4. No, you cannot write this way. 4 has to be written like IV. Okay? You cannot write 4 like this. It is wrong to write 4 like this. Okay? Now, rule number 2. What rule number 2 says? A smaller numeral gets added to the greater numeral on its left side. A smaller numeral is this one. This is smaller, this is bigger, this is 5, this is 1. So, smaller numeral gets added to its greater numeral on its 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. The smaller numbers get added to the bigger number to its left side. Okay? Here smaller number is this one and on its left side is the bigger number X. So it will get added. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Again here this is 10, this is 5. So this is the smaller number. So bigger number is on its left. So again these two will get added. 10 plus 5 equals to 15. Again the smaller number here is 1. So this will get added to this. This will get added to this. Again this will add it to this. So 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 10 plus 10, 20 plus 1, 21 plus 1, 22. So the smaller number and the bigger number. If the bigger number is on the left side of the smaller number, they will get added. Okay, you have to remember if the bigger number is on the left side, so it will get added to the smaller number. And if the bigger number is on the right side of the smaller number, it will be subtracted. The smaller number will get subtracted from the bigger number. Okay, write this rule in your copy. Rule number 3. A smaller numeral gets subtracted from the greater numeral on its right. A smaller numeral gets subtracted from its greater numeral on its right. When we write the smaller numeral on the left side of the greater number, so the bigger number is on the right side of the smaller numeral, then this smaller numeral gets subtracted from this big number. So here is the big number, here is the small number. So big number is on the right side of the small number. So the small number will get subtracted from the big number. So big number is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Here again the big number is, this is 10, so this is the big number, and it is 1, so it is the small number. So again the big number is on the right side of the small number, so this will get subtracted. This is 10 minus 1, that is 9. So to write 9 you will write IX. To write 4 we will write IV. This is XL. L stands for 50, so this is bigger number, and X stands for 10. So definitely this is the smaller number. So again this smaller number will get subtracted from the bigger number. So L stands for 50 minus X, that is 10. So that equals to 40. So to write 40 we will write XL. So we have to remember, when the bigger number is on the right side of the smaller number, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. A Roman numeral of smaller value can be placed before another greater. You can place one smaller number in front of a bigger number on the left side of the bigger number only once. You cannot write two small numbers here. Okay, on the left side of the bigger number you cannot write two small numbers. Like we cannot write 1 1 IV, we cannot write, because here it would become V stands for 5. Sorry, V stands for 5. Then these are smaller numbers, that means this should get subtracted. You cannot subtract minus 1, then again minus 1. No, this is wrong. You cannot do this way. Okay, 1 can be subtracted from, I can be subtracted from V, and I can be subtracted from X. So we can write IV, IX, we write, no, but we cannot write this thing. This is not possible. X can be subtracted from L, or X can be subtracted from C only. We cannot subtract double X from L. C can be subtracted. I cannot subtract L from C like this. C can be subtracted from D, and C can be subtracted from M only. From the bigger number we can subtract the smaller number. Okay. So we have to write smaller number only once to the left of the bigger number. Twice we cannot write, because 2 times we cannot subtract, no? So this is the way to write. If a bigger number is on the right side of a smaller number, then it will get subtracted. Okay. Now rule number 4. When a Roman numeral of smaller value is placed between two numbers of greater value. When a smaller value Roman numeral is placed between two numbers of greater value, that means this one is smaller and both the sides you have bigger numbers. So how will you write? You have to subtract this smaller number from the right side bigger number. The bigger number that is on the right side of the smaller number, you have to subtract it. Then this whole thing will get added to the bigger number on the left side. Okay. So you will subtract this and you will add to this. This is what? 10. Then 10 gets added to this subtracted number. This is 5 minus 1. That equals to 14. Again here you will see XIX. So here the smaller number is I. And on both the sides we have bigger numbers. So the bigger number on the right side, this smaller number will get subtracted from the right side bigger number, and these two will get added to the left side bigger number. So the left side bigger number is 10 plus 10 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 plus 9 is 19.